Hello everybody, Fantasticairy here, back with another video. In this week's video, I'm going to share with you a full page illustration I've been working on, as well as a page full of magical moonlight. This video will not be the whole process, just me dotting in some final touches while I explain to you my progress of these two sketchbook pages. The early concept of this painting was a skeleton bathing in the moonlight with a bunch of moths flying around him. From this idea, I moved on to more colorful patches of grass, kind of figuring out the palette I wanted to use, painting some moths, painting some moons, getting a feel for the sky. I really liked how the purple and blues looked. I filled a couple pages with these different themes just to get a feel of what I really wanted to go for. Painting more moths, playing with their uniquely designed wings and shapes. The hardest part was picking the colors that I wanted to use. In the end, I decided on purples and greens. And here I am dotting in some white little dots for stars on top of my magical moonlight little illustrations. I did end up going a little bit crazy with my Jelly Roll 08 pen. Having a full page to just paint moons and skies and scenes was good practice. I had a lot of fun with the wet on wet technique, my favorite technique for watercolor, and letting colors blend naturally together. And then adding in foreground elements like trees, branches, and forests to complete the scenes. I still have a lot of practice to go when it comes to painting moonlight and clouds, and how that moonlight affects the environment around it. But for now, this was a fun little experiment. Okay, we're getting close to the final reveal. I'm going to let you guys enjoy that final reveal with some music, and I'll see you at the end for the final result. And here's the full page spread, from the full illustration to the magical moonlight little paintings. I really like how these two pages turned out, especially the full illustration. It's got such a cozy feeling to it. I wonder what it's like being a naked skeleton bathing in moonlight, surrounded by moths. I like the sky, how bright the moon is. I didn't go too detailed with the moon or the moths. I wanted to keep it a little bit stylistic and conceptual. I added in a little bit more detail for the foreground elements, even dotting in some white flowers with my Jelly Roll pen. Overall, a very cozy, relaxing scene. I'm satisfied with how it turned out. There's always going to be things I could have done differently, but it's a learning process and I can always apply what I've learned into my future paintings. As for the magical moonlight little scenes, leave my favorites the bottom right corner, how the leaves get a little bit greener closer to the moonlight and then they darken around the edges, as well as the far right middle scene, with the dark fluffy clouds surrounding the crescent moon. I definitely want to practice more with moon scenes and clouds and skies, and I'm excited to explore more with watercolor. Alright guys, that's about it for this video. You can find me in the social medias and the link in the description below, as well as my imprint shop, where you can purchase prints, stickers, and mini prints of the artwork I've done thus far, including the full illustrations, like the Watchful. So yes, if you're interested, link in the description below. This is where I'm going to say goodbye guys. Videos are every Friday. Like and subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.